Hey there everybody, it's Kitty, back to you with a quick little mini haul that I went to Dollar Tree today. I'm really excited because I finally found the thing that I was actually looking for. I was looking for the Banana Blast Bolero facial line. It's along with the avocado and the berry. I want to say scent. I mean, I don't know if it has like the actual ingredients in it from the banana, but I'm sure I'm about to read the back of them. So anyway, yeah, I'm excited. And I also found two other scents, the Pink Cactus water and the cucumber water. If you recently just saw my video, I did get 4 of the other scents, which are the coconut water, the sweet mint water, the lemon water, and also the bamboo water. And at the store I got those from, they did not have the pink cactus water, the cucumber water, and there was a rose water. I did not pick that one up purely because I don't like rose extract, or I don't like the rose smell. It bothers me. I have like a floral allergy kind of thing. I don't like it. That's why I prefer and always buy fake flowers, just because I don't have to worry about florals, things getting my nose all icky and stuffed up. So, but yeah, I got the pink cactus and the cucumber water, so I had no idea there was other other scents out there, so I'm really excited about that. If you want to know what the other scents smell like, go ahead and watch my last video, but I will go ahead and open these to tell you what I think these smell like and how well they, or how good they smell. So this one's a cucumber water. This is for sensitive skin. Oh, that smells good. That kind of brings back memories for some reason. Like, I almost want to say it's like that. Does anybody remember, like, back in the 90s, there was like a cucumber and something else? Cucumber. Oh my god, I'm gonna remember later. I'm gonna kick myself in the butt. It's like a cucumber and something else, like, scent that was really popular, and that smells almost just like it, and I really like that. So I definitely recommend this one for sure if you want something to smell really girly. And so, I mean, like, the other ones smell really clean and coconut and bamboo, blah blah blah, but this one just smells really pretty. And last but not least, the one is pink cactus water, and this is for soothing facial, soothing for moisturizing. What was this one? Cucumber. Okay, cucumber was hydrating, my bad. So that was hydrating, and then this one's for soothing. So let's see what this smells like. Okay, that doesn't smell very strong. I actually don't mind that smell. That doesn't smell like perfumey, and it doesn't smell like a baby wipe. So I don't know, it's a very, very faint smell to it. So I almost want to say this is along the whole clean water kind of feel to it. So it might be, I don't know. I'm having a hard time pinpointing the smell on this one. But the fact that it doesn't have a strong smell, this will be something that I would recommend to people that don't like strong smells. So that one and the bamboo water, I kind of feel like are in the, like, if you don't like heavy perfumes or whatnot, or I want to say heavy, but like just the smell onto your makeup wipe, these two I would definitely recommend. And all the rest, like I said, I told you what I thought they smelled like and how they, yeah. So if you want to hear what I thought about those, definitely watch my last video. Also, I did pick up I believe these are cherry blossoms. It just says blooming branches, but I believe these are cherry blossoms. These are so pretty, and the reason why I like this one because it has a little detail of the little extra green on the edges, and then also the inside has a little, I don't know, it just looks more detailed, and I really like the way this looks, and it's very summery, springy. Okay, now last, I'm so excited. Well, not last, actually, I have one other thing I want to show you guys. It's my DIY that I finished the other day, and I want to share with you guys what I had thought about to use those pencil holders. So definitely wait until the end of the video to watch that. But for now, I'm going to show you what I got. I got the Banana Blast, the entire line. When I got the last video, that particular store did not have anything. Like, it literally had 2 items out of the entire set. So today I went to my League City store versus the Kima store, and the League City store did have this entire line, like in the avocado, the berry, and the banana. Ooh, excuse me. So I got the jelly eye cream, which is pretty much each flavor or each scent had these 4 items. The jelly nutrient mist, which I'm really excited about this one because look at the little bit of mica glitter in it. I mean, spraying this on my face, I can't wait. Oh. And clay facial mask, and also a Banana Blast jelly facial cleanser. So all of this has something to do with jelly other than the clay mask, but it is all Banana Blast, and I kind of want to smell it because I'm excited. This is and also I always recommend that when you buy things like this to go ahead and open the cap and just make sure it's sealed, because if it's not sealed, that means somebody had opened it, and you don't want anything contaminated, and you don't know what people do nowadays, and so it's just a little safer on your part. And same thing with like things like this, like I make sure that both sides, like there's like a sticker right there and right here, and you'll be able to tell if somebody peeled it off and opened it up. So, but anyways, let me go ahead and peel this one open real quick because I really want to smell it. Oh my god, that smells just like those little runt candies with the banana one. Oh my god, like if you love that smell, like this right here, this is where it's at. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to use all of that. So I'm really excited about that. I hope everybody else finds the sets, because it didn't look like all the Dollar Trees got like a whole lot. They only got like one little set or one box full, and then obviously you pick off of that. So hopefully you get to it before everybody else does. So anyway, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. If you're, if that's what you were here for, definitely let me know what you thought about the things that I picked up today, and also if you like the Bolero facial wipes, because I feel like out of all the facial wipes at the Dollar Tree, the Bolero brand is definitely something that has always, I don't know, come through for me. It's had enough moisture to take off my really strong makeup, or I say strong makeup, but really, makeup that I make sure that doesn't come off very easily. So I'm very happy. And also with the packaging, have you noticed, you guys? Like, look at the packaging. Like, that's so pretty. So anyway, yeah. So now on to the DIY that I finished, and I wanted to share with you guys real quick. Oops. It was with the pencil holders that I hauled the last video, and I want to show you you guys what I did. So let me just set it up and I'll take you off. But ta-da! So these are the 2 black and these are the 2 clear. Obviously I have my perfume, or that's not perfume, that's like little erasers that smells like bananas, but I have like some perfume in here, and then this whole row is ready to go for anything else that I start to pick up. This is the charger square plate that for some reason it fits perfectly. 2 on each side, and then these little drawers in the middle, and I don't know if you can see very well, but I put the hot glue to keep it from sliding around everywhere. So I put hot glue under each, like a little bit. I don't put like a goop a whole lot. And then I stacked 2 of these on top of each other, so that way now I have little drawers for more storage and compartments. And then these are my black eyeliners, my what do you call it? My eyeshadow primers, or my glitter primers really is what they are. My liners, and then maybe this is for my ankle, like little creams, and then mascara. So I really feel like I finally got this to where I like it, and I hope this is something that you guys might think about to do, because literally every single thing other than the products themselves is from the Dollar Tree. So these are from the Dollar Tree, that's from the Dollar, like this charger's from the Dollar Tree, these are from the Dollar Tree. So like really, this is what, $7 item. And then obviously this up here, I put the moss, and this is something I made before, and I was like, oh, this looks really cute. It matches my makeup desk theme, which is like the whole fairy moss and flowers and things like that. So I'm just really excited to share this with you guys, and I hope everybody liked this video, especially with the haul today. And yeah, I hope you have a good weekend, or at least have had a good weekend, because right now it's like, I guess, Sunday night, so this is when you guys gonna see it. It's Sunday, Monday, but anyway, I'll talk to everybody later. Bye.